At Pari, we offer permanent cattle yards designed for on-concrete and off-concrete work areas, built for reliability, stability and performance. We've got either a full concrete option where the whole yard is dyno-bolted to the slab, otherwise we've got an option where each post is concreted into the ground.
Come and have a look for yourself there. Copped a fair beating over the last 4 or 5 years and they've stood up very well.
My question to our Manso was, if I've got a couple of 800, 900 kilo Charolais bulls fighting in there, is the structural integrity going to be there with the yards? But I think we've proven that it is, and I spoke to a number of Charolais producers in New Zealand about the product, and they had Pari sets of yards and they said that they'd been fantastic, and to date it's been fantastic for us as well.
It's very, very workable, not just for our stud operation but for our commercial operation as well. One of the main features that swayed us towards Pari was the fact that all of their components, not just the panels and the gates and whatever, but all through their crushers, all hot dip galvanised. There's no sign of rust after 12 months, and I can't see that changing really. It's a very thick galvanising coating they put on everything, and it's done properly.
They haven't moved at all. Nothing's bent, nothing's rattled, nothing wobbles. It's all been really good, and they've had a lot of pressure on them. We've put a lot of cattle through them now, and they haven't folded one bit.
One of the things I guess I had concerns about was the strength of the yards, but after seeing a set locally that had already been built a few years ago, those reservations were quickly put at rest. As you can see, there's a lot of bracing up above pretty much every gateway, and after having large cows and mobs of cows and calves and weaners in here, we're finding that the yards are any amount strong enough and able to withstand quite a bit of pressure.